Pizza Slideshow! Yeah.
Is there a magic way to get gas?
Oh, I like your thinking, young mage. Growth spell. We grow the can, and then the gas inside will grow with it.
That's kind of a weird idea.
I know. I like it too.
Okay, loosen up. Heart's fire. Here we go.
Whoa! It's not that simple. This one learns a little magic, thinks he's Shamblefoot the Wondrous, am I right, Dad? A growth spell is a bit more advanced. Not only do you have to speak from your heart's fire, but now you also have to follow a magic decree.
Magic what?
It's a special rule that keeps the spell working right. This one states, to magnify an object, you have to magnify your attention upon it. While you cast the spell, you can't let anything distract you.
Color the pie.
Ow! What? Splinter! Can we sand this thing
Do
down?
you
No, it's an ancient stab with magic in every glorious fiber. You can't sand it down.
Alright. Here we go. Focus. Something wrong?
Sorry, it's just your stance is, here, chin up, elbows out, feet apart, back, slightly
Straight.
Okay, how's that feel?
Take
Great.
a bay.
Barley!
Okay.
Magmora, get you one!
Pizza.
Don't let the magic spook you. Elbows.
What?
Elbows up. No, it's too high. That's too high.
I'm trying to focus here!
Yeah. Focus on the can. Focus.
Barley! We did it!
It worked! The can is huge! And the van is huge! And you're... Oh no.
What happened?
Looks like you shrunk me.
How?
Well, if you mess up a spell, there are consequences.
I only messed up because you wouldn't stop bothering me.
I was trying to help you.
Well, don't try to help me.
Oh, okay, fine. I won't. Well, wow, Dad, it's me.
Whoa, Dad, it's okay. Don't worry. I'm gonna fix this.
Well, where are you going?
To find a gas station.
Well, I'm going too.
Fine.
Hey, I don't need your help.
Fine with me.
Oh,
Pizza. This is the movie.
I just need a little break. My baby legs can't go that fast. Look, a gas station.
Oh, good.
Oh, wait, I forgot.
Pizza.
You don't need my help.
Have it.
Hey, I don't need you to carry
Wait.
me.
Hey,
I'm a
give
grown
me
man.
a drink it.
Come on, it's okay. Barley is with me.
Yeah, I'm fine,
Sick
Dad.
of it.
Side effects
Another-
are supposed to wear off eventually. Do I look any bigger yet? Did you just bump
What
into me?
cheese
I'm
pizza?
terribly sorry. I missed
Do it again and you'll see me in your nightmares! This one's lucky. I know it. Give me a
Wait,
bag extra
the
stuff.
tag of the
Keep the change.
curse.
Out of the way, beanstalk.
Oh boy.
10 on pump 2,
Just-
please. What are you doing?
Dude,
Getting us
that's
food.
it.
All right, I got it. And a couple of these. Thank you.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Can it wait?
It's your pocket.
Broccoli.
Can we have the bathroom key, please? Okay, be quick. I want to get
No
out of
more
here.
broccoli.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
That'll be $12.99.
Broccoli.
What's it?
The bar is the not broccoli.
Answer me when I'm talking.
Wait.
Sorry, I don't really know where his head's at right now. How could this night get any worse?
I would fly us to help your boys, but the old wings aren't what they used to be.
Oh, that's fine. So about this curse.
It's my own fault. I should be doing my wing exercises every morning, but you know how that goes.
Please, the curse. What does it do?
Right,
sorry. It's a guardian curse. If your boys take the gym, the curse will rise up and assume the form of a mighty beast and battle your sons to the... Well, how do your boys do in a crisis?
Not great. One of them is afraid of everything, and the other isn't afraid of anything.
Yeah, that skinny kid of yours is pretty fearless.
No, you mean the big one, Barley.
No, the little guy. Ooh, he really let me have it.
What? No, look, you said you could help them, right?
Every
That's
curse
it.
has a core.
Now what?
The center.
Tomato pizza.
And only one weapon forged of the rarest metals can destroy it. My enchanted sword. The curse crusher.
Tomato pizza.
Well, okay.
No,
but you don't
that's
seem to
not.
have that on you.
I
Tomato.
got in a little tax trouble a few years back, but don't worry. I know just where to find it.
I am on my way, boys. Just try to stay out of trouble.
Pancake pizza.
What is taking you so long?
No, it's not. Pancake pizza.
Oh, no.
Why?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You got a lot of nerve. I'm just saying, sprites used to fly around spreading the light. That's a good thing. Sprites can't fly. Well, your wings don't work because you stopped using them. You calling me lazy? No, not you.
Do it.
Your ancestor. What did you say
Tear,
about my
tear.
ancestors? I didn't mean lazy.
I'm
Sorry,
Just
sorry,
think
you don't need to fly. Who needs to fly? I mean, you got those great bikes.
What are you doing? I was just discussing
banana
I'm trying to
pizza.
take care of you and Dad, and you're not making it
It's
any
a
easier.
banana
Dad,
pizza.
come on. Oh no.
No, it's not. A banana pizza.
We're dead.
Relax. They won't be able to lift those bikes. Oh, they are strong.
We're gonna die.
It's locked.
What? Where are the keys?
Pizza. Hobby.
Come on, Barley. Okay, go.
What? A broccoli pizza.
No way.
You're gonna have to.
Broccoli pizza. No, that's not the broccoli pizza. Come on. Hey, do it again. Pizza.
Come on, Guinevere!
What do you know? We're onward. Okay, you're gonna have to merge. Speed up. Yes,
Want
you can.
I'm ready.
You'll never
carrot
merge.
pizza. No. Carrot pizza. You have to do it. Pizza.
Hey, don't hit Gwynny.
Barley! Oh no,
Get around him.
they're not letting me in.
Signal.
You don't have a signaler.
Stick your arm straight out the window to signal left.
Sick.
Get back here.
Just keep driving.
Barley!
The mountains are north. You need to get all the way over. Oh, it is on, Shane. Get him.
Do you want? An America pizza. No, that's not America pizza. In one pizza.
Just stay cool. Way to go, Guinevere. Hit it. We're not gonna make it.
Dad, are you okay?
He's fine, thanks to the skillful driving of Sir Ian Lightfoot.
No! Oh! Pizza! Pizza!
My foot.
pizza. Do you want a pentagon pizza? Yes, Leonard. This is pentagon pizza. This is what.
You're gonna take Dad.
What are you going to take?
Oh my god, the disguise smell.
Where's
You can
pentagon
disguise yourself
pizza?
when you want.
Let's be change one food. These guys have it. Let's change.
As long as you don't tell a lie, the spell will be fine.
Okay. Where are we gonna be?
Okay, we're taking you down to the station.
What seems to be the problem here, fellow police folk?
Officer Bronco?
Were you in that van?
Affirmative. And I will take full responsibility for that fellow.
Fella right there, so you could just release him over to me.
Hey, I wanted to be the front.
No way. I'll do the talking.
Bronco, I thought you were working on the other side of town.
I changed my mind.
Something wrong?
Just a little neck cramp.
You have to stop lying. Answer every question with a question.
What exactly are you doing out here?
What am I doing out here? What are any of us doing out here?
Whoa, I never thought about it like that.
Nice.
With all due respect, you didn't answer my question.
Well, we were just exercising some driver's education drills for Ian.
Who is Ian?
Oh, is that Laurel's kid?
Ian is Laurel's kid.
Your stepson was swerving all over the road.
Yeah, well,
That guy's not all there today. Yeah, he does seem a little off. You seem a little off yourself. Actually, if I'm being completely honest, I'm not super great.
in this kind of situation, and I'm starting to freak out a little bit, and I'm all sweaty and weird, and I don't know what to say, and I just feel like I can't do anything right, and I'm a total weirdo.
Oh, hold on. I think I know what's going on here. You do? It's not easy being a new parent. My girlfriend's daughter got me pulling my hair out, okay? Oh, yeah. All right, we can let him go.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna take him to the van.
Hey, gets better, all right? Good luck, Bronco.
You too, officer. Keep working hard, or hardly working.
Now that was a good call.
I don't envy you, Bronco. That Lightfoot kid is a handful.
I'm gonna have to disagree with you there. I think Ian's a pretty stand-up
Pizza.
citizen.
I will
Not him.
drop the day really.
What?
I mean, the guys are
It's a screw up.
You can't say you don't
Look at
agree.
the egg going.
I don't. What?
What did you say?
I mean, okay, well,
I gotta get going. Gotta get Ian on.
Oh,
I'm late for
great work.
Sorry, I'm
I
feeling a little
didn't.
sick.